Hello there, my name is Ukulele. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Autumn Leaves. I arranged this song in a really easy way, so even though you're a beginner, maybe you can play this song. First, let's take a look what we will learn today. For this song as well, I have tab, handwritten one, but I have tabs. So if you want to download this one, please go check out my Patreon site. If you donate me $1 per month, you get access to all the tabs I post there. Please do consider subscribing to Patreon site as well. Even though you don't have any tabs, that's fine. I'm going to explain every move in this song one by one. When I tell you about left hand, I'm going to use numbers. For example, F would be like 2, 0, 1, 0, because second fret, 0 fret, first fret, 0 fret. So I'm going to say 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you can play F, right? And as for right hand, I'm going to use, picking patterns. In order to play this one, you need to assign each finger to each strings. So your thumb should be on the top part of fourth string, and your pointer finger should be third string, bottom part. Middle finger should be second string, bottom part. Ring finger should be on the first string, bottom part. And that will make it really easy to control which string to play. You see? So for example, I ask you to play middle two strings, then you can bend your pointer finger and middle finger at the same time. Then you can control which finger to pick. So this is how you pick with right hand. Also, I'm going to use strum, downstroke and upstroke. So just pick and downstroke, upstroke. I will just use the three different patterns. So as I explain, I'm going to explain right hand at the same time as well. So don't to be, that stressed out. That will be easy. I basically divided the video into 10 sections and an introduction. So in total, there will be 11 sections. So yeah, I think I cut the part too small. So yeah, each sections are really simple and really short. So I think you can follow. Now let's get started with section 1. Now let's start with introduction. Introduction goes like this. Okay, so first chord is D minor. 2, 2, 1, 0, and play third string and take off your pointer finger and play second string. So second string 0 fret and put your pointer finger back to second string first fret. So next one is G minor this will come out a lot in this song, so please remember this chord shape. Next time I'm going to say G minor, alright? 0, 2, 3, 1. G minor. Once. And next chord is G minor 7. Yeah, this one comes out a lot as well. So 0, 2, 1, 1. Okay? Pointer finger on the bottom 2 strings of 1st fret, and middle finger should be on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So twice, and A7. 0, 1, 0, 0. So up to here it goes like this. Twice in A7 and 3rd string, 2nd string, and 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, then 2nd fret of the 3rd string, then D minor, again, 2, 2, 1, 0, and play down, up, down, up, down, down. Yes, that's introduction. I'm going to play it slowly again so that you can follow. Section 1 goes like this. Super easy, right? So first thing first. 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string, 0th fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, then G minor, you remember G minor, and G minor 7 twice, then C7, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay? I will slow it down for you. Section 2 goes like this. So, first thing first, 3rd string, and as you play the 3rd string, you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret. It goes like this. Then 2nd string, F, down, up. You remember F, 2, 0, 1, 0. Down, up, and take off your pointer finger, then A minor twice, down, up, D minor, downstroke. Remember D minor, right? 2, 2, 1, 0. So section 1 goes like this. I'll play it slowly. Section 3 goes like this. Okay, so first thing first, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 2nd string. As you play 2nd string, put your pointer finger on the 1st fret. Okay, then G minor, remember, 0, 2, 3, 1. G minor 7 twice, 0, 2, 1, 1. A7, 0, 1, 0, 0. So that was section 3. Section 4 goes like this. It ends with A7 in a section 3, right? So from here, 1st string. So as you play the 3rd string again, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret, then 2nd string, D minor, then take off your pointer finger, play second string, and as you play, put it back. Goes like this. Then put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and D minor again. 2 2 1 0. So it goes like this. Okay. Before moving on to section 5, you play section 1 again. So it goes like this. Remember? Then section 5 goes like this. Okay, so play 1st string with, 1st fret of the 1st string. And as you play it, put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then play bottom string again. Play 1st string 1st fret. 1st string 0th fret. F once. A minor down up. D minor down. So let's play slowly again. Okay. So if you have the tab, section 6 is on the 2nd page. And section 6 goes like this. First string, as you play the 2nd time, and put your pointer finger on the 1st string 1st fret. Then take it off and play 1st string 0th fret and G minor, G7 twice, A7 1st string, 2nd string, then 1st fret of the 2nd string, 1st fret of the 2nd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Then D minor, down, up, down, up, down. So I'll play slowly again for you. Section 7 goes like this. First string 2nd fret, 3rd string 1st fret, 3rd string 2nd fret, A7 3 times, then 2nd string, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd string again, and down, down, up with D minor. Okay, so I'll play slowly again for you. Then section 8 goes like this. Okay, so first thing first. 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd string 0th fret, 2nd string 1st fret, and G minor, G minor 7 twice, A7, 3rd string 2nd string, then 1st string 3rd fret, 1st string 1st fret, and F, and take off everything and play middle 2 strings twice, and D minor, 2210. Okay, so that was section 8. Then section 9 goes like this. Okay, so first string 0th fret and second string 4th fret, first string 0th fret, G minor 7 twice, A7, third string, second string, first string 3rd fret, first string 1st fret, F, D minor. Okay, so that's section 9. So the last section goes like this. So it goes like this. 3rd string 2nd fret, 2nd string 0th fret, 2nd string 1st fret, G minor 7 twice, A7 and 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd fret 2nd string, 1st fret 2nd string, and 2nd fret of the third string. Then D minor, down, up, down, up, down. Then this one, 5, 5, 5, 7. So bow the 5th fret and put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the 1st string. So that's the whole song. Now I'm going to show you the video with the section numbers on it. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.